Now, John Ross's had G. Now, he had G on it. G means gradient.
I thought you said gravy.
Wow, great. Okay, gradient. Or R. Correct. Or if you don't have D, you don't have G, you might get a R. Wow. Radiant. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know these words, I'd like you to jot it down in your notebook right now. Okay? Jot it down into your notebook right now. Yeah. You will come, we'll learn that sometime, real soon. Okay? So R means radiant, D means degree, and G means gradient. Okay? Gradient has a what? What do you mean by T? Oh, yeah, it has T. Oh, radiant. Oh, radiant. No. It's not radiant. Okay?
That's rather Megan or the game.
Now, hey. Now, Dylan, I have to mute you because, well, don't take it personally. It's just because in the recordings, right? If your microphone is on and you have noise coming from your side, it turns out to be really loud, and the rest won't be able to hear me. Okay, so that's why. All right, now, so R is radian, B is degree, and G is gradient. Okay? All right, all cool? Now, let's move on to the third example.
Yes.
All right, third example. Now, let's have a look here. So, I'd like you to draw a right angle triangle again. A right angle triangle, okay? Right now, I've got 12.7 meters on this side, angle 43 degrees, and V equals to, I don't know. Okay? Now, how are we going to look for V? So what's the length of this side? Okay?
5100 Street.
Two sides, one angle. Okay?
100 Street, who wants to find V? Billy?
Yeah. Right now, so where's your reference angle? Your reference angle is right there, isn't it? What side is that? Opposite, label it. Now, it's always a good rule of thumb for you to spend 1 second or half a second to label it. So that you don't make careless mistake. Now, and that will be your adjacent, isn't it?
Yes.
Label it, okay? Please label it. Now, so you got one angle. You got two sides, so your sides are what? Opposite and adjacent. O and A, sine, cos, tangent. Which one? Tangent. Tangent. Tangent what? Tangent what? Theta. How much is theta?
43.
43 degrees. Very good. Equals to what?
B.
What's opposite? Gracie, go for it. What's opposite? Woo!
Yes.
Which one?
Oh, wait.
Which one's O? Where's opposite? How much is opposite?
12.
12, exactly. 12.7
Over V.
over V. Very good. Over V. So, now you need to look for V. V is your babe, okay? So you look for V. So what you're gonna do? Grab that. Yeah, pop it up there. So V tangent 43 degrees equals to 12.7. Now I'm looking for V. Okay, so what should I grab? I'm going to grab that and chuck it where?
Down.
All right, go to where? Go to where?
The hell.
The hell. All right, now. So V equals to 12.7 divided by tangent 43 degrees. All right, ladies and gentlemen, from there, you ask your best friend's calculator. All right, now let's press it. 12.7. All right, so you got 12.7 divided by tangent. Where's tan? Tan's right there. So tangent 43 equals to 13.6. Okay, we're going to round it up. So 13.62. So it's approximately 13.62 meters. So now once we've got the answer, we can substitute that answer with what? 14.62 meters. Okay?
Yes.
All right, very good. I can see some teamwork right there, helping each other out. That's good. Okay?
Hang on.
Yeah.
Would the outcome of that answer be different if B was in the O and 12.7 was A?
Yes.
V is in the O and 12.7 is in the A. Yes, it would be different because it would be upside down.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, now, so let's move on to the next example. Okay, so example 4. Okay, example 4. Now we've got sine 56 degrees equals to 14 over x.
So it's like this one looks like kind of.
Yep. Because now it's the other way around. I tell you that. I tell you sine 56 degrees equals to 14 over x. You're gonna draw a triangle for me. The other way around. Okay. So prepare to draw. So of course it's gonna be what? A right angle triangle, isn't it? Yeah, Gracie. You beg to differ. What? Did you just say isosceles? What do you mean I so silly or? Okay, so let's draw a right angle triangle. Yeah. Well, try to make it as beautiful as mine. Come on. Now. All right. So always remember that right angle is really important. Okay, don't take right angle for granted. If you don't put a right angle there, it's not a right angle. Okay. Now, sine 56 equals to 14 over x. We don't really know where 56 is going to be, do we?
X hypotenuse.
X is hypotenuse, all right? You know that hypotenuse is definitely going to be there, isn't it?
Referring angle can go anywhere.
Referring angle could go anywhere. Which way? Which way? Exactly. Very good. Okay. So, well, let's say if your reference angle, you put it there. So reference angle could go anywhere because it doesn't really matter, does it? It doesn't really tell you. Okay. Now, and this diagram is not drawn to scale, is it? Okay. So now, if your reference angle is right there, so that angle is how much? 56 degrees, isn't it? Okay. All right. Then the other side, opposite would be 14. Done. That's it. Now, if that's the case, please tell me how much x is going to be. What's the value of x? So how long? What's the length of hypotenuse? What's the length? How are you going to do it? Same thing. All right. So you're looking for x. So what you do? Pop it up there. Okay. So that becomes what? X sine 56 degrees equals to 14. Cool. All right. Now I'm looking for x. I'm just focusing on x. So who should I get rid of?
I don't know.
Finn.
You got the answer? Okay, so I'm going to get rid of sine 56. Check it to where? Kick to hell. So x equals to 14 over sine 56 degrees.
Is 16?
John Norman, answer please.
16.89.
16.89.
I got 16.88.
Okay, I didn't give you a unit. So that's it, 16.89. And now I've got x, so I can substitute x with 16.89. Now, it's a very good habit for you to substitute your answer back into the diagram whenever you have achieved your answer.
Why?
Okay? Why? Doesn't matter. So if it doesn't specify, you don't have to. You can leave it at
I
one.
have to round it.
You don't have to.
So I rounded that up. So it would be.
Doesn't matter. Yeah. Why? Why do you need to feed your answer back into the diagram? Now, any explanation for that?
What's the question?
So you have the answer.
So you have the answer. Okay. So the question was, why is it a good habit for you to substitute your answer, the answer that you achieved here, back into the diagram? Why? Why would that be a good habit?
Okay.
So it's completed.
Okay. So it's completed.
Yeah.
And Gracie also said so that it's more convenient, handy.
Professional.
Yes. Professional.
If someone needs the answer.
Or someone needs the answer. Very good. Okay. Especially when you move on to a higher level real soon. Okay. Year 10, 11, 12, and beyond. Now, that will be only one small part of your question. So the next part of the question might require you to have that answer. So now that you have feed the answer back here, it is very clear that you've got more information there instead of leaving it as X. So when you move on to the next part and then, oh, I need X. Uh-oh, what's X? I need to go back to my equation and look for that. But if you have already substituted that in there, then it's already there. So when you're working on the next part of the equation, and then, oh, I need X. Oh, what's that? 16.89.
When you substitute, since like you can't really, you have to like cross out X, scribble it out, and then write.
Oh, now you don't have to scribble it out. You can just write it X equals to.
But like,
Yeah, because it's approximate. Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Very good question right there. Okay. Right now, any questions? That's basically it. Okay. So finding a side length using Trigo. Okay. So any questions before we wrap it up? Any questions? Any questions here? Yes, John Norman.
Can the reference angle go over 100?
Oh, very good question right there. Now let's have a look. We're dealing with a right angle triangle, isn't it? True?
Yeah.
That's a very good question. All right, you guys better listen here as well. Now, the total, tell me the...
180, and that's already 90, so.
Okay, very good. So Hani said that the total angle of a triangle is 180. And you have already got 90 degrees right there, isn't it? So that means the other two angles here, so the balance cannot be more than 90. Let's say that's angle A, that's angle B. So that means when A plus B, it cannot be more than 90. That symbol means what? Less than or equals to 90. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So in that equation, in example 4, would the other reference angle be 24?
24. Let's check if that's correct. So the other reference angle is 24. So now,
34.
Pause. Now, if you have already mentioned that that is your reference angle, that is not the other reference angle. It is just the other angle. Okay? All right?
The other angle will be 34.
30. Okay, you said 34. Let's check if that's correct. Okay, so 56 plus 34, we get 90. Correct. Exactly. Why? Because you've already got 90 degrees there. And then when 90 plus 90 adds up to 180. 80. Okay? Does it make sense? All good there?
Yeah.
Yep. All good? Brilliant question. Love it. Okay? Now, so Denise, Dion, Dylan, Megan, what up? Any questions? Or you all good there?
No.
No? All right, Dylan, you understood that. Okay, that's great. Denise, what about you?
Where's Alyssa?
She's somewhere.
Didn't we discuss this?
Denise, you all good there? She said no. I'm good. So yes, I'm good. Or okay.
So you asked her if you need help, and she said no.
Oh no. Okay, I'm good. All right, cool, excellent. Megan, what up?
Yes.
She said same. I like how you guys answering me or responding to me. Very short and simple. Now, Dion, what about you? Shh. Hey, shh. Dion, what about you? You all good or what?
No, I'm good.
Is he gonna turn on? Everybody's watching the screen right now, waiting for you to turn on your microphone and say yes.
Why you didn't come around? You never know you.
Yeah, she knows.
Is he even there?
She has.
Dion, hello.
I can check hi.
Are you there?
Hi.
All right, I assume that you're okay. All right, assuming.
I
But
don't know where he lives, but I'm pretty sure he lives somewhere on Emperor Street.
all right, now, so ladies, gentlemen, if you've got any questions, feel free to text me or anything, and I'll try to attend to your question ASAP. Except that when I'm sleeping or in the bathroom. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for our lesson today. Now I am going to stop the recording, but I'll leave the lesson on, and feel free to turn on your microphone from now on. Cool?